single market is one of the European Union's greatest achievements. The free flow of persons, goods and services has considerably contributed to the economic growth and prosperity of Europe. But today the single market has to adapt to the digital age by breaking down barriers in cross-border online activity. The EU Commission has presented its proposals for creating an integrated and secure digital single market without borders. Andreas Schwab, EPP Group spokesman in the Internal Market Committee, and Christianis Carent, his counterpart on the Industry Committee, commented on the Commission proposal.
What does the single market mean for the consumer?
The single market, the digital single market, means more opportunities for consumers because we can keep Europe in the diversity that we have, but we can offer the whole diversity to consumers to shop online. That's great, but we have to work it out.
What does the single market mean for business?
This is a big challenge because the digital economy is becoming ever more important in terms of commerce. So why are European companies not jumping in? It seems that there are a number of barriers to this.
The digital single market will allow consumers and companies to freely buy and sell products and services from a country other than the one they are in.
We have to make sure that, first of all, websites are offering fair services and do not privilege their own offers. But secondly, we also have to make sure that consumers can really find best value for money by using even a website from another country's location and not being diverted back to their own country with higher prices.
Well, it's quite simple. If you run a company and you use your traditional distribution networks, you can only get as far as physically people can go. If you're selling the same goods and services over the internet, you basically can get to everyone in the world because, or anyone in the world who has access to the internet. So it's a way to expand your customer base.
The Commission proposal aims to harmonise procedures for combating the dissemination of illegal online content across the EU, according to Andreas Schwab.
We have not yet found throughout the 28 different member states' legislation the best way to fight against that, to make sure that consumers and businesses have the best place in the European Union to offer digital services.
Mr. Carent emphasised the need to invest in infrastructure such as new broadband.
In the digital world, if you don't have the roads and the railways or the broadband and the needed access speeds, you simply will not be able to have the trade. So in order to have that trade, the first prerequisite is to have the physical connections.